Hello, welcome back to my channel Start Pharmacognosy. So today we will start with beautiful identification of saffron as I have already promised you. As you see where I am sitting, might you see, it never required major tools and techniques. Start Pharmacognosy never require major tools and technique but really gives instant knowledge. So let us start, okay? As I already told you, simple and easy identification of saffron. So in this connection today we will learn how to identify crocus sativus, saffron, a costly material frequently using in Ayurveda, Siddha, Unani medicines. As you know, saffron is really very good religious as well as medicinal property. My dear friends, my name is Dr. Premda Dwivedi. I'm an MSc PhD Botany and Pharmacognosy. I bring you Stand Pharmacognosy for medical pharma and other students who is studying in this regard. So as you know, the botanical name of Crocus sativus, this case belongs to. Just to see what we can do now, we should identify the plant first. As you know, therapeutic properties. If you see, the saffron is very much good material for antioxidant, relaxing, treating depression, and EMS, aphrodisiac, reduce appetite, weight loss, cold and cough, and expectorant. Saffron also now very helpful to weight management and others, and glorious of the skin, especially taken in the pregnant women to get fair color baby. Saffron is the most expensive ices. That is why you see it is costly item because of this tough harvesting technique. They are this hand picked saffron, this stigma they are picking by hand only, and thread like structure only. The stigma is called saffron. Remaining is not usable. The greater demand of saffron is attracting high profile. Why it is adulterated? For that, I would like to tell you the greater demand of saffron, high attracting high profile business, and the same time chances of adulteration is high. First of all, many material have been tested as per Ayurvedic Pharmacopoeia of India, and there they are telling that we will test the safflower, I mean Carthamus tinctorius and Marigold tagetes erecta is being mixed frequently in the saffron. But now adulterator is very clever than the specification. Rather, you also, as per pharmacopoeia, if you test now, we often check the adulteration in the form of safflower and marigold only. This safflower fluoride, marigold fluorides. This make alertness to those people who is in the business of adulteration. Hmm? They are taking this original saffron and adulterating with this other material, and therefore the adulteration catches other path of start mixing some other material that are not able to catch easily due to more similarly in morphology. High very similar. This becomes more troublesome when both natural and artificial saffron found mixed together in the same packet. As I told you, it's very thread-like structure. We are unable, once it is mixed together, we are unable to segregate it. And only one path, either we accept spurious material, adapted material, or we return on spot. So better be the return on spot only because it is very costly. Minimum one case 1.5 lakhs in second and third grade as per mark. And if it is first grade, it will catch about 1.75 or sometimes 2 lakhs per kilo. So now you imagine how is costly one. So what we do now, very easy to identify. As I have told, instant pharmacognosy, they were required any laboratory high profile instrument. Just major technique and tools also not required for testing this. Now you see difference between original and artificial saffron. You see A original saffron and B artificial saffron is there in front of your screen. You please watch this and keenly check the head. Now it is the close view. See, this particular observe, zoom it your screen, please. If you are watching in YouTube, I like to tell you, please share and subscribe this immediately. Manage this channel. Stay tuned because it is going to not only Saffron, you are going to get so many useful videos and technical tools and technique for this knowledge how to identify the material. Rao, what you think here? Have you any observation you find it, or I have to tell you? You see, okay, you are getting this. Hmm? This is original saffron close view. This is artificial saffron close view. You see, what we observe over that, these two photos I have shown, one the front view and another is close view. Two main observation make it easy identify to adulteration even on the spot of the arrival of the material. If you found adulterated, may be sent back the supplier immediately for replacement without further delay, so as to get good material in time in order to avoid interruption in the production of material. See, the original saffron has dark red and reddish brown trifid. I'm just going back to you. As I told you now, whether I inform you or you are learning yourself. You see, again I am putting your consideration over this. Please concentrate over this head only. You leave this all parts. Leave because it is minute observation. Is head only here in my technique. Again, you see the original saffron has dark red or reddish brown trifid stigma. Trifid, and this is cornucopia shaped. Cornucopia shaped. No, if you don't know technique, if you don't know what is the cornucopia shape, please comment in the comment box. I'll reply. Don't worry. Frequently I'll reply because I am here to help you all. The margin of stigma is fimbricate. For what? This original one. This one. Fimbricate. Huh? The margin of stigma is imbricate, hair-like projection at the margin of stigma, hair-like projection. This margin, stigma margin, it has. Here it is not showing you because of this. But once you put it the hand lens, you will get this hair-like, very small, small, minute white color hair. Very small, small hair. But however, it is very smooth one. It has nothing. Do you know what is this? Neither it is catharanthus, neither is it Tagetes erecta. But what is this? This is the endosperm, endosperm, the focus nucifera, that Narial copra. They have very good machine to make adulteration this artificial, and then they are coloring with saffron color. So this is only if you chew it, you will get coconut taste very well. So this is actually they are using for artificial. As I told you that adulterator is very smart now because you are checking with Tagetes erecta, it is not Tagetes erecta. If you are checking with Catharanthus, no, it is also not this. Then what is this? This is separate material. But you can't morphologically you can't identify without if I before I not tell you can't imagine even this. So what you get is now again I repeat the original saffron has dark red or reddish brown trifid stigma and cornucopia shaped. The margin of stigma is primigate, having hair-like projection at the margin, whereas the artificial stigma has a sharp cutting edge and a smooth margin. As I told you, sharp cutting edge. You see this one, and a smooth margin. Okay, a smooth margin. The color of stigma may slightly show difference in remain in dark pink color when seen with a hind leg. Okay, so I think you will like this. You will subscribe this, and many tools and technique I am going to give you. So stay tuned with this channel. Don't worry, I am always with you to help you. Okay. Okay. So you see how you will get this identification very beautiful actually. But the thing is that now some students working in laboratories might they belong to quality assurance, quality control sections also. If you, I have another beautiful identification methods, but that required only two beakers and half liter drinking waters. Okay. So if you are very much interested, please tell me. I will help you. Please comment it in comment box, share and subscribe, and please stay tuned this channel. Like this, you are going to get a lot of videos that really will change your life. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye bye. Take care.